Hello everyone, welcome to Gosport Railworks. My name's James and today we're doing another model scenery kit. This time we're doing the Metcalfe Gardener's Cottage kit, which is a nice little kit to, basically do in the afternoon. The product code, first of all, is PN158. And like I said, it comes in a very small package. And when you open it up, you have very few pieces. It's a very small kit to, work your way through. So let's have a look at see what we've got. I'll leave these over here for a moment. So we've got our instruction book, which it does actually say you have one instruction book. We have the printed sheet, which is this one here. So just one printed sheet, and that's about it really. You also have the grey sheet, which is for the strengthening of the structure. You have the glazing. Here's all the windows, which we'll work through first. Instruction booklet, which we already have here. The extra bits sheet, which is two sheets actually, where we have the chimney pots and some bay window backs, and also some extra little bits to add to the roof, well, just underneath the roof actually. And I'm being beeped at. Never mind. And yeah, we also have the ridge tiles sheet. So that is all of them. So let me just pop them back over here. So tools that we'll need. We'll need, well, first of all, we'll need glue. So I've got my UHU glue here, very nice to use. We'll need a modeller's knife. I've got my box cutter knife, and I have made sure it's sharp. A pair of, well, it says pair of sharp scissors, but this one will have to do. Some tweezers, which are always nice to use. It does say other glue, well, it actually says glue, C glues, but we've already gone through that. Glue applicator, no, we won't need that. A cutting surface, which is what I've got underneath here, the my cutting mat. Tweezers, we've got watercolor paint on fine brush, that's for the white edges. And also we need a steel ruler, which is what we got here. Does help. And also not added on the list is some of these little paper clamp things. They're quite useful, and yeah, that's just to help hold things all together. Now we'll have a quick look inside for the instructions. So this actually, the instructions start on the front page, and that's just basically cut it all out. Cutting out all the windows and gluing them all into place. Then going about building the actual main part of the building, which is, let me get this bit, this structure, what it looks like anyway. Yes, it's this structure first, and then we go on to the next page where we start building, that looks like the middle structure, that one there. And then finally, obviously the little smaller structure, adding the chimneys there, then adding the interior, adding the roof, and adding the final touches, and also some more final touches. Yeah, it's a very small, simple kit. Yeah, doesn't look like it will take me too long. My record is normally about an hour and a half, but with this it'll probably take about an hour. But I wouldn't recommend going at that speed. A nice, gentle afternoon will suffice. So anyway, I'm going to get to work on making this little kit, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll give you a run through of any problems which I had afterwards. Also, one other thing which you might need to do is have a bin beside you, so you can throw all the little bits and pieces away somewhere, so you're not getting a big pile next to you where you're trying to build things. I've got my recyclable bin beside me, so yes. Anyway, I'm going to stop going on and get to work, so I'll see you in a bit. Well, here we are, the gardener's cottage, now all done. Only took me a little bit longer than an hour, but I was messaging people online, so yeah, that does tend to slow you down a little bit. You will see a few things not quite pushed up against because I've not really glued them in. So I'll pop you back there. Yeah, there's a few bits which are left like that, so if I do give this away, somebody can change it how they like. The only one which I've glued in is this front one here because, well, there's a blank spot. But, yeah, rather nice little kit. Sorry, that doesn't annoy me. The only thing which was a bit annoying was, again, somebody instructions could have been a little bit clearer. It's either that or I should probably read them properly. The only other things which are a bit fiddly is just, well, not these big ones, these end pieces. They're not too bad, but they're a little bit fiddly. It's the little ones which are on the other side, which are coming up in a moment. But let's have a look. Yeah, these little ones here. They're a little bit fiddly. But other than that, it's yeah, it's a very simple kit. And it, I'll say about an hour's worth of work. Or if you want to take it slow, and I said a leisurely afternoon. But yeah, it does look quite nice. Very happy with it. And yeah, it has got a couple of modular pieces. That probably doesn't sit quite nicely there, but it looked appropriate, right, roughly right there. And you got this one here, and then there's the other one on the other side. So you got a few bits and options for it. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. This may go as a giveaway, or I may just... That's probably going to go with a good giveaway, but I just like building them. But yeah, whoever does end up getting it, I hope you do enjoy it. And yeah, that's it. That's going to be it for me. So do let me know what you think of this little cottage. It's a nice little thing. Probably tuck it away somewhere in your layout, but yeah, very happy with it. And it was quite cheap, about £8 at most. But yeah, very happy. Yeah, if you do like how the kit's turned out, do let me know. Do feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you didn't like the video or didn't like the kit, well, I hope you enjoyed it anyway. But that's going to be it from me. So yeah, hope you enjoy, and yeah, take care now. Bye bye. Here we come. Stay close enough. See ya.